In elite sport, we need to be athlete-centered, coach-driven, and critically data-informed. I'm Dr. Matthew Wylde, Head of Performance Pathway Science at the National Youth Sports Institute. Today, I will be giving my honest review of PSB Academy's sports science facilities. I lead a transdisciplinary team within the National Youth Sports Institute, which plays a unique role in creating holistic, science-informed training environments for our youth athletes here in Singapore. Over the past few years, the use of data and technology has exploded within the field of sports science. This has influenced the attributes we are looking for in aspiring sports scientists. For example, the ability to analyze and provide meaningful insights from large datasets has become an increasingly important skill. So I'm really excited to see the facilities they have here at the PSB Academy. Follow me. The first setup we have is a 3D motion capture system, which is used for biomechanics. The athlete will wear reflective markers, which is then picked up by infrared cameras which surround the athlete. This system translates the athlete's movement into data. A sports scientist can then use this data to provide feedback to the athlete and coach, which can improve performance. 3D motion capture is considered the gold standard for measuring human movement. As sports scientists, we can use data from these systems to very precisely measure specific aspects of athlete performance. For example, lower limb biomechanics in netball landing. We can use data from the system to intervene to help improve the athlete's physical competency. This will provide valuable experience for students when they start working in the real world. This is especially true as this technology is used across multiple industries, and having this experience will give them a head start. The next piece of technology is a respiratory gas analyzer. The athlete wears the mask during exercise, and the sports scientist can look at key metrics such as oxygen uptake and carbon dioxide production. Basically, this allows us to assess the size of the athlete's engine and measure how this changes in response to training. For example, if we were working with a middle distance runner, we could use the gas analyzer to establish baselines for the athlete. Following a block of training, we can reassess how the athlete has responded to the training stimulus and make changes to the training program accordingly. So getting to know this system will help the students regardless of which industry they pursue. I would give the PSB Academy Sports Science facilities 4 stars out of 5. I've been really impressed by how they've incorporated technology into the curriculum. As mentioned, data analytics and technology have become a cornerstone in sports science, and PSB Academy is really keeping their curriculum up to date. Within the sports science industry, we're seeing a move towards wearable technologies, such as inertial measurement units, which take the analysis out of the lab and into the training environment. I would give 5 out of 5 if students were also given access to this technology, and perhaps it's something that can be worked on in the future. Overall, the facilities provide an excellent environment for aspiring sports scientists.